we're working on making sure your subject and verb agree when there is a phrase separating the subject and verb. Okay, so one rule to keep in mind. When a subject and verb are separated by a phrase like along with, together with, as well as, including, accompanied by, in addition to, besides, or not, ignore the phrase in the middle and just make the verb agree with the subject. Dave, along with his many brothers, is a big fan of Harry Potter books. You treat that the same way as if that phrase wasn't there. Dave is a big fan of Harry Potter books. If it's a plural subject and verb separated with those types of phrases, ignore the phrase in the middle and just make the verb agree with the subject. So basically, you're just making the verb agree with the subject, just like the phrase wasn't there. The black couches, as well as the Mickey Mouse picture, are very stylish. So it doesn't matter that picture is singular because that is not the subject. That is just a phrase coming in between the subject, couches, and the verb, are. The silver key, not the gold one, fit or fits into the lock on Hermione Granger's back door. Silver key is singular. Ignore this phrase, so you need the singular verb fits. The silver key fits into the lock. The students, accompanied by Cho Chang, are going to perform at the school assembly tomorrow. It's are because that's a plural verb. You need to match that with the plural subject, students.